Hello dear crocheters! In this video I want to show you my new toy, which I called Curly Horse. All this is because it has a very curly and lush mane and the same beautiful tail. The height of the toy is 30 cm or 12 inches. I used plush yarn and a 4mm hook. The peculiarity of this toy is that it has very few sewn-on parts. More precisely, only one part, namely the head, is sewn to the horse's body. All other parts, namely arms, legs, ears, are attached, that is, crocheted in the process of crocheting. Therefore, those who don't like to sew will definitely love this toy. Another important positive point is the low yarn consumption despite the size of the toy. I used less than 1 skein of yarn of the main color. Taking into account all that has been said, I can definitely recommend this toy for beginners. Naturally, provided that you have basic crochet skills. At the moment, the pattern and masterclass for this toy are already available on Etsy, and very soon I will publish the first part of the video tutorial. There will be 3 parts in this masterclass. Important point. You periodically ask me, are my patterns and tutorials suitable for other types of yarn? Thank you very much to Yulia from Ukraine, who will help to clearly answer this question. Here is her toy, which is crocheted using semi-cotton yarn. The height of this horse is 16 cm, and look how cute it turned out. Let me remind you, the height of my toy is 30 cm. I look forward to your feedback. What do you think about my curly horse? Will you crochet such a miracle with me? Also, I draw your attention to the fact that there will be important news soon, so subscribe to the channel so as not to miss anything. And I will make another little intrigue. In parallel with the time when parts of the video tutorial on YouTube for this horse will be published, I'm already working on a new toy and want to show you a partial result of this process. What do you think? What am I crocheting now? See you soon, and thank you for being with me.